In this video, we will modify the current variables to accelerate the process of calculating music streaming royalties. This means there will be less code, which is usually a good thing. Now, go to the console after you type about blank, about colon blank, with the Control-Shift key combination. At this point, we will insert a constant for royalty rate, since we know the royalty rate will not change for some time, or at least the length of the program. So we'll set the constant, we use constant to create a constant variable called royalty rate, which is equal to 0.0025. Now you don't have to make royalty rate all caps. It is just a way to identify constants. Hit the enter key. Now let's create a variable called number of streams, which is equal to 0.0. This is what we will initialize or assign first. Number of streams, the value of 0. Then we'll type let royalty payout is equal to 0.0. So if we type out console log to output the value, the royalty payout is, or the royalty payout is, now notice the string of text. The text is inside quotation marks, whereas the variable royalty payout is not in quotes. So if we hit enter now, the value will be 0. So once again, this is a warning for not having a URL because we're using about colon blank. Now to save space, we'll use the shift enter key combination to save space. So if we want to find out the royalty payout, we just simply type the number of streams. Let's assume it's not 0 this time, because currently it's 0. Let's change it to 400. Next, we'll use Shift Enter to skip to the next line, and then type royalty payout is equal to number of streams times, where we use the star key, number of streams times royalty rate. And then we'll hit shift enter again. I'm doing that to save space, as I've said before. Now the royalty payout is, and then we use the concatenator plus symbol, royalty payout. Now we should get the number 1, because when you multiply royalty rate times number of streams, you'll get the following. So I'm going to hit enter, not shift enter this time. Now the royalty payout is 1. So since we're running out of space, let's do one more example. So we'll type number of streams is equal to 800 million. And then we'll type the equation again. Royalty payout is equal to number of streams times royalty rate. I left out a space here, but it's not necessary to change, but I'll change it just so it looks better. Next, we need to output the content or the royalty payout. We need to output it, so we'll use the console log and we'll just say royalty payout is colon plus royalty payout. And when we hit enter, we should have a different value if we did everything correctly. And so we get royalty payout is 2 million. So that concludes this video. This is a little bit of a shortcut by using the constant, but in the next video, we will demonstrate functions.